Hello, viewers. Welcome to Liva Buhay, your information TV. And today I will be sharing to you how to make comments that attracts viewers to view your video longer. Of course, when we are a YouTuber, we have friends and we usually, do all the YouTubers are doing. We are visiting channels and we let people also visit our channels. And of course, you don't have to shout it out that they will visit your channels. They will just do it automatically. Then another thing you have to think is that how will you do it that these people will not just watch your video for like 3 minutes or 1 minute or 5 minutes. At least you can retain them for like more than 5 minutes, and then it's really good. Or maybe not only the subscribers, or maybe the viewers itself, viewers who are searching for things they want to know. And I will tell you before I will start this that most of our subscribers are not really watching full. Maybe if they are your friends already, then you are doing the same thing to each other. They will be watching your videos full, and then that person also, and you yourself is also watching their videos full, and then it's like a give and take. I will tell you that when you do it, when you make your comment, please make it the right way. How will we do it in a right way? Comment about the content of the video. It's just so simple. You want to gain friends. You want people to see that you, as a YouTuber, visiting another YouTuber, that you watch a video. And if you are only watching a video for 1 minute, if you have to count, some people have a longer intros. They have a longer logos or intros in their videos, and maybe some people have it in 1 minute. Then it means that if you only watch 1 minute, you can only see, you will immediately see people, because they will like, oh, you have a very nice intro. I hope you will also come back to me and subscribe to me. And that is very obvious. You just watch the video's intro without even trying to watch the content. That is why you cannot make a good comment. And how does comment reflects? Actually, YouTube itself is looking on the comments. What kind of comments? Did you get quality comments? Or did you get only everybody who is commenting your video is only like, nice video, come to my channel too? And the thing is that we are talking about appreciating each other. If somebody comes to my video, to my channel, and watch a video of mine, and that person really writes a very good comment, and I know that this person is really giving time to watch my video because this person gives a very good comment. And when I see that, and most YouTubers know that, so what they do, their appreciation, they show it in a way, they will also go to your channel. They will choose a video and watch that video. And they will do the same. They will give you also a very good comment, because they will say, oh, this person really gives me a very nice comment, a long comment that are really very nice. And my appreciation for that, I go to your channel, I really watch your video and really write a very good comment about your video. Of course, sometimes we don't have all the time to write a long comment. It's okay. But at least your comment is relevant to the content of the video. You are not commenting, a person is cooking something, and you're just commenting, nice one, come to my channel and subscribe too. That is so, how will you say, how will I say it? Disrespectful? I will say it's very, it's not so nice to hear, because we don't have to hear. I have said it a lot of times. We don't have to ask each other, come to me and subscribe to and like and blah blah blah. You don't have to say that. Because it's really a very, how do you say it, powerful thing when you make a very good comment to anybody's video, because this person will also go to your channel, watch your video, and also really watch your video so that this person can make a good comment. If you're not doing it, then the person will do the same. Hi, nice video, come to my channel. Okay, I will go to your channel and I will do the same. I will just watch like 1 minute because I can sense it. It's easy to sense when people are not really watching your video, and everybody knows that. Number 2, don't put comments on other people's comments. You know what I mean with that? It's like this. If you see this comment section, I have a video there, and then a person will go to that, like there is a video of somebody, I have a video, for example, and then a person will go to my video and watch my video, and then that person will make a comment. So if you see on that comment, there is a place where you can directly reply. Me, who owns the video, can directly reply. When I write my reply, it will automatically is intended to the person who write the comment. But what happened is, some people, when they go to the comment section, what they do is that instead that they will go to the channel of that person who is commenting on my video, for example, they will make a shout out in that comment section and say, like for example, my video, I'm Liva Buhay, and somebody whose name maybe actually is like somebody is like Venus Lopez will make a comment to my video. Under the comment of Venus Lopez, they will that person will write there, hey Venus, visit me also on my YouTube and subscribe to me, and doing this shout out. That is not really a very good thing to do here, because it's almost disrespectful. That comment is not for you. That comment is for the video. That comment is intended for the video. So who will reply to that? Who will interact to that comment? It's the owner of the video. And sometimes instead that I can immediately click to that and then make my reply will not automatically, that person will not know anymore if a lot of people will be putting their comment there and shouting out, hey, visit my YouTube, my channel too. You don't have to do that, because if you want a lot of people to visit your channel, you should think like this. You're not only attracting people to visit your YouTube. You should attract people to watch your videos. And how will you attract people to watch your videos? Go to their channel, choose a video, watch that video, make a thoughtful comment, and that person will automatically go to your channel too and do the same. You don't have to shout it out to these people to please come to my channel and subscribe. Okay, you can have like 500 subscribers in a week, and what else? Nobody is viewing your video. They're just subscribing. And okay, you can have 1,000 subscribers. What's next? You don't have 4,000 watch hours. It's useless. Another thing also is that, I'm talking about that. So like the comment is really very important, that let it be for, let the owner of the video interact to this commentator. Who is the commentator? This is the video. That is the video of Liva Buhay. Somebody commented on it. Then it's Liva Buhay who will reply to that commentator. If the commentator, for example, is saying, hi Liva Buhay, your video is really helpful. I really get help by watching your video. And suddenly you write there, hello there, come to my video too. And then there was one person doing it. This person I had one video and then suddenly I have already like 15 comments there. And all the commentators in that video of mine, this person is really putting, when every time I will make a reply to the comment, I cannot immediately just make the reply. I have to write where my reply is. So my reply is to the commentator of that video. Why? Because this person is already putting like a reply or a comment to that comment. Please don't give comments to a comment that is not intended for you. If you want for people to go to you and be your subscriber and be your friend, please go to their channel. Do not make a shout out and using other comments section, because those comments are not intended for you. So go to their channel. It's just so easy. Do not be in a hurry. I always say it all the time. Do not be in a hurry for the 1,000 subscribers. Take time to visit people. Take time to give a comment. Take time to view others' viewers. Why? It will come back to you. But if you are the person who are just, visiting one comment and then you're out. I mean, you give a comment and then you just watch for like not even 1 minute. You're just wasting your time because your comment will be spam. You know what I mean that your comment will be spam? It means that when you make a comment to a video and you are not even watching the video for 1 minute or 1 minute, I'm not even sure, because normally I watch a video. If it's a 3 minutes, I watch it full. If it's a 5 minutes, I can give 4.5 or 5. I can give a full. But of course, if it's a 10 minutes or 20 minutes video, if that is just a new person, you don't know yet that person, then maybe you don't give a full view for the 10 minutes because you know already, especially with the comments that, oh, this person is not really watching my videos. This person is only watching 5 minutes or 2 minutes. And it's not actually the owner of the channel or the owner of the video that makes your comment spam. It's actually YouTube. Why? Because when you make a comment and then you never watch the video, maybe 1 minute only, or maybe 30 seconds you watch, when this person will see your comment, of course, what we do to go to the channel of that person is you click this person who made the comment. When you click it, it will not direct you to the person's channel. So when that happens, it means that YouTube had spammed your comment. Why? Because you did a comment for a video you didn't watch. You just like click to the video, and after some seconds you make your comment and then click and then send your comment, and that's all. And it's just a waste of time. And that's what I say. We here in the YouTube community, we are actually giving and taking. So if we want to do this kind of thing, give and take, do unto others. What you do unto others will be done unto you. It's applicable here in YouTube. Because you give good comments, this person will also go and visit you and watch your video and really watch your video, so that this person can give you also a good comment. If you only visit a channel and watch a video for 2 minutes and you just write, "Hi, good morning, I'm here, come and visit me too," this person will do the same. Okay, I go to that channel and you also watch, very short, 3 minutes maybe, just for respect, and also write very short comment. We here should maintain, because what is important here in YouTube, all of us have the same goal. We want to earn money someday. So when we are monetized and we are not making good relationship with other YouTubers, we are not making good contents, then there is no reason that people will watch your video. If you are only thinking of the number of subscribers, you are wrong. Because even if you have a 3,000 subscribers, but these people are not even watching your videos at least 5 minutes for every video, it means you need to make a lot of contents, or you have to do a lot of live streams. But we don't know in the end. We don't know in the future. Maybe you get tired. You get burn out of doing live streams. You will come to a point that you are burned out of doing live streams. Then you cannot do live streams. So it means you don't get watch hours because you don't have live streams. But if you have very good content, you have evergreen contents, it means that still people will watch your video, even if you are not promoting it, because it will appear on the search engines when people are interested to watch that kind of video. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Liva Buhay, thanking you again, and I hope next time I will see you again in my channel. Bye for now.